So before going into the doc, tell me, raise your hands, how many of you have implemented linear regression in PyTorch? So few of them have done it. So today I'm going to talk about how to implement that same kind of linear regression from scratch using NumPy without using PyTorch. So you all might not know that what's happening inside the that PyTorch linear regression, because you all because it just uses because it hides all the internal. So let me walk through my code of linear regression from scratch using NumPy, which is similar to that. So here I've imported NumPy. Here I've initialized the X dataset and Y dataset array. The pattern is very linear. Just have to multiply the X by 2, and then you have to add and then you have to add 1 to it. And here I've used the learning rate as 0.1. And here I firstly initialized random M and random C, or random weight or random bias. You can call it anything. And here I'm showing the original slope and coefficient. And here I'm using the epochs as 50 times, and then here I'm getting the y prediction, and then after that here I get the error. And here this is just to show that how much the error is decreasing, how much the loss is decreasing, and what is the epoch. So here I've used the MSE loss algorithm so that we turn that error into scalar average loss. And here I'm getting the size of the array, and this is the formula to calculate the gradient of D, and this is the form of M, and this is the formula of calculating the gradient of bias of gradient of bias, basically gradient of C. And here I'm using the SGD optimization algorithm, or stochastic gradient descent algorithm, which uses the formula of subtracting the weight with gradient multiplied by learning rate. And after 50 epochs, it will basically show the new updated MNC, or weight or bias, and then after that it will show the prediction. So let me run the code. See, it worked. So first, so let me show you all the logs which so let me show you the output. Mm, So these are the original slope and coefficient which it selected randomly, 3 and 5, which PyTorch also does it and initializes it underneath. But and here I've used the epochs. So here see it's decreasing. So since epochs are increasing and the loss is decreasing, and then after that here it calculate, and then after that here it found the new M and new C, and then after that it showed the prediction which it could do afterwards. So this linear regression is actually project is similar to that PyTorch linear regression. This can be implemented in PyTorch. The only difference is that it is implemented from scratch and it shows all the math of it. Thank you.